Craft Creations. Today I have an unboxing you are not going to believe. This is my June design team package for Country Craft Creations, and I received 2 of the newest paper collections from Country Craft Creations. I think you're absolutely going to love. I'm going to start by showing you what I'm going to work with, because out of the designers, half of us are going to be working with Hometown Country, and the other half are going to be working with Honeybees and Lavender. And I'm going to be working with Hometown Country for this month, but I am going to show you this at the end of the, showing of my unboxing for my design team. And you know me, I'm more than likely going to be making something with this too. So I cannot wait to share this with you. So let me get this one out of the way and let me show you what I got in the design team package, and then we will show you this. So for the month of June, I am working with Hometown Country 4th. This is a beautiful paper collection. I just love it. It is so gorgeous, and I can't wait to share it with you. I do want to show you that I received the 12 by 12 paper collection, the 8 by 8 paper collection, and the 6 by 8 collection. I am super excited about this. I'm going to show you all of the papers, and I'm going to be showing you them in the 8 by 8 package. You're just gonna love this. So I'm gonna put these off to the side, and then I also wanted to share with you real quick that I did receive the mirror card in chrome silver, and I'm sorry if I am blinding you with this, but this is gonna be fun to use. It's going to put a lot of bling in this paper. I also received the colors from Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Sand and Sea, and look at the colors. The colors are outstanding, and they are going to match this paper collection absolutely perfectly. So I did receive 2 each of these. I have Seashell, and they have this nice kind of grid diamond paper pattern on the front, and then it's a solid on the back. So again, this one is Seashell. This one is Marine. Look at the color on the back. Isn't that pretty? This one is Lighthouse. Gorgeous red color. And High Tide. I received 2 each of these, so I will have all of this linked down below so you can go to the store and pick some up for yourself. This one's Sea Breeze. Look at that beautiful light blue. This is going to be gorgeous with this paper collection. I just love that. And the last one is Driftwood. And I just love this because it is kind of a greeny brown color. It's going to go perfect with this paper collection. And then the other thing I wanted to share with you is that I received a pack of Artisan Cardstock. This is the 85-pound red, and that will be the basis for my project. So let's get on to the actual paper collection. Oh, let me show you this first. I'm going to show you all of the extras first, and then we're going to dive into the papers because you guys are going to love these papers. Okay, so I received the package of frames and tags by Echo Park, and these, again, match the collection. Absolutely gorgeous. So I've got all kinds of beautiful little frames and tags and sayings. Here I took them all out, but like there's little tags, Stars and Stripes Forever. Look at that. Isn't that sweet? That vase full of flowers and the flags, and then we've got some little titles here. I mean, this is just going to be really cute, and I think this is going to work out really perfect with the collection. So there's a lot of little doodads that I get to play with here. I have a lot, and let me show you the back of the package here real quick so you can see what's all in there. I mean, it's going to be fun to use. And then I also received the Spellbinders Fashion Cosmic Embellishment Gems. So those are going to be fun to play with too. I just love it. I also received all of this gorgeous ribbon. So let me read off what this is. So this, I got 2 yards of each, and this one here that I'm holding is navy and white striped 2-inch. And then I received the 1/8 inch luster in white. So pretty. I received seam binding. Isn't this gorgeous? I just love the seam binding. It's in medium blue. Isn't that pretty? These are all going to go so well with the collection. And then I received the 3/8 inch red buffalo check. So I mean, look how pretty this is all going to be with the papers. I'm super excited about this. I was really hoping that I was going to get to play with this, and I am so excited about it. Okay, so this is the 8 by 8 collection. Now, again, I did receive the 6 by 8 and the 12 by 12 as well. Just gorgeous paper. So here's the cover sheet. And then on the back, look at this, you guys. OMG, this is so cute. You have gorgeous pieces to cut out. Look at this piece. You could do a belly band with this, do a border strip on a page. How pretty is that? And then here is the page of cut aparts. And look at this. You've got 2 different pages of 2 different cut aparts. Is this not awesome or what? So like double the cut aparts in this package. I think that is so amazing. Look how pretty they are. I love the vintage, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So you have this sheet here. You have this sheet here. So look at that pretty little girl. Look at how sweet she is. Oh my gosh. So cute. The back papers, look at this. Red, white, and blue, you guys. Happy 250th birthday to us, right? Okay, so we've got Wilbur here. So pretty in front of the barn. Love it. So the back of that paper, look how pretty that is. That is absolutely gorgeous. Little picnic baskets and flags and everything. So you get 3 sheets of those, all right? And then we have 3 sheets of this paper. This is a pennant banner paper. This would be easy to cut apart and use as embellishments, you know, again, on pages, but also you could use that as belly bands. You could use it as the page itself. It's just so pretty. Isn't that pretty? And then the back of that, oh, that's pretty. Love it. You guys, I have to admit, I knew this paper was coming, but I have not seen them yet because unfortunately I was working when she shared them on the live. So I'm just seeing this for the first time and I'm absolutely just really loving it. So pretty, the town hall. Look at that. Gorgeous. And look at the back of that. So cute. I just love it. I am so excited about this. This one here with the banners, and you've got the flowers all in red, white, and blue. Look how gorgeous that is. And the green, just, oh, everything just perfect. And then you have to have the fireworks, right? That is so pretty. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, this is so cool, you guys. The film strips. Check that out. 3 sheets of that. Oh, that's so cute. Woo! I'm getting ideas just looking at it. Honestly, I didn't know what I was going to make. I'm getting ideas as I'm going through this. Look at the hearts with the flowers. Isn't that pretty? So pretty, so pretty. And that page right there, gorgeous with the back of the truck filled with flowers and the flag. Love it. Oh, and the brickwork. Look at that, how pretty that is. So pretty. And the back is red with the white stars. I just love it. Now you get 3 pieces of each of these. Look how pretty this is. All of these things. You could fussy cut these out and use these as embellishments too. I'm just saying. Look at all the little bows. I mean, seriously. And that's beautiful. That is stunning right there. I love that page. I love that page. Oh my gosh. Okay, you guys. So this is Hometown Country. And again, I did receive all 3 sizes. So I'm super excited because the 12 by 12 obviously is a staple. But the other thing that I'm excited about is that we also now have the option of the 6 by 8 paper pad. And I am excited. So that's what I'm going to use for my design team package. So I will be coming out with some projects here real soon with that. But then let me show you the other papers because OMG, this is absolutely gorgeous. If you are a fan of floral and purples, you are going to absolutely love this. This is called Honeybees and Lavender. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. I just absolutely think this is a stunning collection. So I'm going to show you again the 8x8. But I did receive all 3 sizes. But here is the 8x8 collection. And again, I didn't get to see this yet because I was busy at work during the live. So I'm going to show you what this is. So again, Honeybees and Lavender. This is in this shop now. Look at this 4x4 cut aparts that are absolutely stunning. Look at all the little jars of honey here. The flowers, the little house. Isn't that pretty? I love this. So then we have a page of ephemera pieces that you can fussy cut out. They are absolutely gorgeous. We've got a sheet of that, and then we've got a sheet of cut aparts. And look at this little list with, excuse me, the hearts. Isn't that pretty? The bee's knees right there. That's very cute. I love the font too. This font is really pretty. I love that. Of course, I love everything about it, so you can't go wrong with this, right? So here's, ooh, that's pretty. All the rolling hills with the green and the purple. That's gorgeous. All right, so you get a sheet. You get the cover sheet that has the cut aparts on the back. You get a page of ephemera to cut out, and then you get a page of cut aparts, okay? Beautiful. And then everything else, you get 3 sheets of each. So here's the first one with the cupboard with all the honey and everything in it. So pretty. And then look at the bees. I don't know if you guys can see that. Look at the detail in the bees. So pretty. This is so pretty. The back of this with this gorgeous wood panel and the butterflies. That is just, oh, I love it. Oh, this is a cute paper. So pantry cupboards and honey jars. This would be easy to cut for belly bands too. Just saying. There's the back of that with the florals and the bees. Again, the bees. So cute. This is a really pretty page, collage page. Again, 3 of each. So I'm super excited about that because you can use, you know, both sides and not have to worry about, you know, you've got enough paper. Isn't that pretty? There's a, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a real faint house up here and there's a real faint wording on the rest of the page. So pretty, like a newsprint page back there. And there's a cute little house. Look at that. The bees and the butterflies, the lilacs, or the lavender, excuse me. The lavender. I'm tired, you guys. I've been sick. This is the first day I've actually felt somewhat human in the last couple days. So yeah, the books. So pretty. Ooh, this is pretty too. Look at that. That's gorgeous. A gorgeous collage of all the different papers. So pretty. And a beautiful pattern back here. Love that. Ooh, this is pretty too. This would be a really beautiful page in an album. You could put the photo up here. Gorgeous colors. I love the lavender. It's just amazing. So pretty. So pretty. Oh, look at that. The chair. That chair is so cute. And the yarn. Check it out. That speaks to me. I'm a crocheter and knitter, but mostly crochet. So pretty. Oh, I love this paper. It's absolutely stunning. That's really pretty. So yeah, I will probably be making something with this too because, you know, yeah, why not? And how could you not make something with this? You guys have to go run and grab this. So I think Jen and I on the design team are working with the Hometown Country. And then Kim and Tiffany are going to be working with these. So I'm super excited about getting that, and I'm going to get to play with it too. So that is my design team package unboxing for this time. So again, I'm going to be using Hometown Country. I've got all these fun goodies from Echo Park that match. I've got the spellbinders. I've got all the ribbons and everything. And then if you're going to go to the store, please check out the links below for all of the Simple Stories papers that I got, the coordinating pattern paper cardstock. And then also grab you a pack of red Artisan cardstock to make your projects, okay? I'm super excited. I hope you are too. So thanks for watching, and I'm going to get busy because I just can't stand it. I'm going to get busy and work on some projects for you. So I will see you guys later. Take care, stay crafty, and I will see you soon. All right, bye-bye.